Well, this is what we're looking at. Our dream RV, right? Gus is the protector of our camp when we're gone. When somebody drives by and sees Gus sitting in the chair, looking towards the woods, they think somebody's here. Well, it's move day. Is the turn signals working on the right?
Yes. Copy.
Copy. How about the brake lights? On our way to our next camp. We'll see you when we get there. Well, this is what we're looking at. Our dream RV, right? I pulled it up, tried to get level as I could with the old-fashioned leveling system. But our right front jack blew a gasket. We lost all of our fluid. And now, with no fluid, you can't even get the jacks up. So, our dream RV, somebody said, well, after you get that fixed, you may not have anything else go wrong. But we'll see. Good morning, everybody. Day 2. Our new spot. I hope to hear from someone today. I did do some research on how to get the back jacks up. You have to release the pressure off of them to get them up, and then they should be able to either pry up or push up. So I'm not as concerned about that as I was. Anyway, it's going to be a good day. This site right here should be shaded the rest of the day. It's a hot but beautiful evening here in camp. The mini Starlink is doing its job just like it should. We've had no issues. I happen to have 2 mongrels with me tonight that needed an evening walk before we go to bed for the night. Star! 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 Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Star? Can you hear me? What are you begging for? What are you begging for? Don't know whether you all remember the Bodega cooler fridge that I reviewed a few months back, but it's doing a good job. Having a small fridge in here, it gives us extra space for cold drinks and just anything you want to put in there. We put some meats and cheeses in there, and it's less space that we have to take up for our regular fridge in the RV. What a nice state park. I will tell you, there's very, very little. There's almost zero Verizon, and I get 1 bar of T-Mobile. So I do not recommend this park if you have a job that you have to be connected. I think it's unlimited on the motors on this lake. I remember right. This is the dog beach, and they have the people beach down there, so they like you to keep them separated. Good evening, everybody. Get this charcoal going. We are having, boneless, skinless chicken breast tonight. Man, this looks pretty doggone good. Let's see if it is any good. The chicken's nice and tender. That Montreal seasoning is pretty good. Gus is sitting over there waiting on the live. He's all excited. He's got a lot to say tonight. That's good. We've only been eating twice a day, so some weight should be coming off. Just too busy. Too busy. We usually don't have a breakfast. If we eat late, we either eat brunch as a breakfast or as a lunch. I gotta hurry up, get done eating, so I can get down and get my shower before the live. So we'll see you all in a little bit. It's awful loud in here, but this is the world famous bologna sandwich at the GNR in Waldo. We're having fries, mushrooms, and she had the BLT. It feels like it's lifting a little bit, and there's a little cool breeze today. Goofball. She's a goofball. We were blessed to have a laundry at this state park. There is 2 washers and 2 dryers in each, I guess I'd call them a loop. In the loop that we are in, there is no laundry, but we are in the only loop with no laundry. We had to come down to loop D to have a laundry. We're going to take this trail, and that might be a feral cat up there. See that? Stop, Star. Yeah. Up here, I think you go to the right up here and it takes you to the lake. We'll see. So we are at S, so we're going to take the 0.03 miles to the lake. This is kind of nice back here. The farther you get away from the campground, it gets really quiet. We did see a few storm clouds before we left, and we're just hoping they don't turn into anything. They call this area dense woodlands, and I tend to agree with them. A lot of undergrowth. I can see water through there. Star, I think we might have found the lake.
I hope we get there soon, Dad, because I'm getting tired. These old bones are starting to hurt.
Gus, just stay back there and keep your mouth shut. You're just sitting in there sunbathing or fishing? I don't know. Probably just sitting there chilling, having a lunch. If you don't stop, I'm going to throw you in, Gus.
Dad, I don't know how to swim. Help me.
Stay tuned to the next exciting episode to see if Gus was rescued out of the lake.